The first law, known as the law of inertia, asserts that unless an outside force acts upon an object, it will continue to be at rest or move uniformly. When a player in hockey hits the ball with a stick, it doesn't stop moving until another force acts upon it. For example, the initial force from a hockey player's stick propels the ball forward. When a player hits it towards the goal, once in motion, the ball keeps going until air resistance, friction from the ground, or a player from the other team stops it. The second law, sometimes known as the law of acceleration, describes how an object's velocity alters in response to an outside stimulus. It asserts that an object's acceleration is inversely related to its mass and directly proportionate to the force acting upon it. This regulation applies to hockey players as they accelerate, decelerate, or change direction. For instance, when a player races to intercept the ball, their acceleration is determined by the mass they are carrying and the force they apply to the ground. Similar to this, the force a player applies when swinging the stick to hit the ball affects its direction or speed. Third law of action and reaction. According to this law, there is an equal and opposite reaction to every action. This law is apparent in hockey in a number of situations. For example, when a player sprints forward by pushing their feet against the ground, the earth responds with an equal and opposite force that pushes the player forward. Similar to this, when a player hits the ball with the stick, the ball responds with a force that is equal to and opposite from the force the stick applied to it. The ball speed and trajectory are decided by their response force.